Hi, I'm Greg with Mattioni Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling. Boilers can have a few uses in the home, but to many of us, they're a bit of a mystery. That can make things difficult when you are told it may be time to replace yours. Today, we will look at what you should know when replacing your boiler. Typically last. Average lifespan is estimated at 15 to 20 years, although a well-maintained boiler can last upwards of 20 to 30 years. What is required for switching fuel sources? In most cases, you can switch the burner in the boiler to allow you to switch fuel sources, but you may also have to change the venting or reline your chimney, which can lead to costly additions to the project. In general, we do not recommend changing fuel sources without replacing the entire unit. What will be replaced with the install? With every install, we're going to replace the boiler, obviously, the piping around the unit, as well as the expansion tank. There are some other components that may need to be replaced, like circulator, pumps, zoning valves, spira vents. If they're in need of replacement, they can get replaced as well, although it will raise the cost of the install. How much does a new boiler cost? There are several factors that affect the cost of a new boiler. Efficiency, what all needs to be replaced, and what type of fuel does the boiler utilize. All in all, new boilers cost between $9,000 to $25,000, although most of our homeowners find themselves a great boiler replacement between $12,000 and $16,000. How can a new boiler be more efficient? If replacing your boiler, you can install a high-efficiency boiler. This may require adjustments to the venting. Boilers need regular maintenance for cleaning and replacing of damaged parts to ensure efficiency levels. Do you have more questions or want to schedule one of our HVAC experts to give you a quote? Call us at the number below, schedule online at callmattioni.com, or check out our Learning Center to learn more about your home.